Guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I'm Senate Steve and this is my F450. So as you do know, we do have a lifted Bruce project, a lifted Honda Civic, and we are putting him back together and he is ready for a fire up, and I want to share that with you guys so bad. However, I just got a phone call from a buddy and he said I went into a mud hole and I can't get it out. I guess it's his buddy's truck or something like that, and they tried it with an expedition and can't get it out. So they called me and said, hey, can you come down and give us a hand getting this thing out? So of course I got some wheels in the bed of the truck here. We're going to get them out so they're not flying all around. They're not flying around when we start yanking on them and whatnot. But we're going to go down and the F450 is going to recover. I believe it's a Ford Bronco. So let's jump in the F450 and head down and get them. Dodged a bullet there. All right guys, so if you don't know, I do have the Y pipe. It still has the O2 sense and everything. It's actually a good cat section, so that is for sale. I do have the front differential out of that truck, and I have all 4 wheels and tires still for sale, as well as that whole system right there. So if you're interested in anything, any parts from the 05, let me know guys. I got a bunch of parts. We got doors, mirrors, everything you can name I got. So let's jump in the truck and let's go see what he's got himself into. Look, we got wrench works on the back of that truck. We got the 717 Outlaw. I don't know that guy. Why is he not following me? Unbelievable. What in the heck are they getting me into? They brought a work truck. So what'd they do? Bring this thing down? Oh boy. Oh boy, that thing I'd say is kind of stuck. Well, let's see what we can. So I see the wheels are moving.
See the line?
Yeah.
How deep it was.
Wow.
I went in your hole.
Definitely. Well, unbelievable. So which way do you want me to pull it?
What do you think about it?
It'd be easier to go that way.
That's what. See, you were down in there.
Yeah.
It was hooked.
That's where I was buried. I was buried there.
Yeah, that's where I went in it.
Yeah.
So we got it pulled this way at least.
Going out that way is going to be better.
Alright, you want an expedition move?
Yeah. Well, let's get hooked to him and get him ripped out. Unbelievable. The things people do for fun. Knivesdeal.com has struck again. Now this is a Taurus PT99 Airsoft CO2 6mm BBs, and the cool part is it's semi and full auto. That's right guys, let's get it out and play with it. All right guys, now this is an absolute cool. It has your tear down. The first click down off is going to be your semi-auto. Man, does she have some stank. And then when you're ready for it to go full on auto, drop the hammer down one more time, and now this is where it's freaking cool guys. Oh boy, you will go through some CO2 with this bad boy and some BBs, that's for sure. So again guys, for 10% off, use promo code SENATESTEVE, all one word. I will have the link to this in the description down below. It is freaking cool. Go get them while they're in stock.
All right.
over with the chain.
That fucking tree. Yeah, he's in the tree. He said, pull my shit right through it. I don't give a shit. He said, you're coming back.
Well, we were able to rip him out here, and obviously he wasn't working under his own power because his battery died, and we all know this thing is a heavy pig, and I'm not driving this in there to jump it while it was in there, so we just pulled it out without, you know, it being in there. But we'll get it jumped and it'll be good to go back on the road. Alrighty, well, just like my truck, when we pulled mine out, my battery was dead. His battery's dead. We got him jumped, and I can go home and shower now. What all's done to this?
14 inches of 488 gears, lots of front and rear.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Well, there you have it. This hole is no joke. I'd stay out of it if I were anybody else. I'm not going back in it. Maybe when I get the Bruce done, because the Bruce will be light enough, but I'm not taking anything else I got back through there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, guys. But there you have it. If you like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and we're gonna do a lot more recovery videos. The F450 does great as recovery, not so much on the four-wheeling end of it, but recovery it does pretty well.